Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and if you're new, hello, thank you for clicking on my video. So in this video I will be unboxing my order from Iguana. So if you're interested, just stay with me. So I got this primer, super cute. I also got this short stand. Let's see. Oh my gosh. I can't. Oh, there you go. How this stand looks. It has suction here. Super sticky. And the clip. Dun, 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 dun. This is what I've been waiting for. These silicone here. Comes with the instructions, a thank you note with the code HELLO5 for 5% off, a ring, and the hand. Oh my goodness, it comes in this cute little bag. Let's see. Oh my gosh, no way, it's so creepy. Oh no. I got the postal one. I got the half hand because I can't afford the full hand because I'm broke. So the name for this one is April, just like the owner. In case you want to know the name for the color, this is April. This is the hand. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy I got this. I've been wanting to buy this for so long. I'm so happy with this. This is the hand. Comes with a little imperfection here, but I'm not mad about it. Not at all. Right here too. Oh my gosh, it's so creepy. My gosh, it's so creepy. I love it. The wrinkles here. Oh my gosh, I love it. Let's try this stand. Do this thing, and it's gonna stay in place. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy with this. Let's try the ring now. Let's see. you go. So happy with my purchase. And the primer. I love the ring. I love my hands. Can't wait to make so many designs on this practice hand. Can't wait. Can't wait. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and see you on my next video. Bye.